YouTube, what is good? We back. Early morning trapping, early morning cruising. It's Mother's Day. Ain't nobody out here on the road really. It is about 7 o'clock though. Like I've been told y'all, I've been on my grind like Tony Hawk. On my way to a baseball tournament right now. If y'all want to see, I'm gonna make the channel either way, but if y'all want to see a specific dedicated baseball channel, y'all got it coming down below. Until then, everything gonna be uploaded on this channel right here. But lock in, bro. Ain't nobody finna hit your dumb ass. Drive your car. But it's early in the morning, dog. It's about 7 o'clock. We up early in the morning. We got a game at 8:30. About to go whoop up on somebody. We've been doing teams dirty the last 2 weeks. I ain't even gonna lie. Last week went 4-0. Had like a 10-2, 11-1, 9-4, 9-0. Smacking motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying? Yesterday, they wanted the tournament. We go what 7-4? 7-4, but we definitely should have won by a lot more. And then we followed that up in game 2. Did the team really how we should have did the team in game 1. 17-2. Blowout. Victory. Excuse me. Damn. Excuse me. But yeah, we're gonna see what we got in store for us today. It should be a pretty damn good day. The guys are swinging it well. We locked in right now. We running the bases. We pitching it fairly decent. The only thing that I feel like we could do a little bit better at this point is being locked in on defense. Cause I mean it's baseball. You out there standing around and shit. Motherfucker just be out there. But if we could lock in on D and be ourselves out there, make plays like we supposed to, it's gonna be a good day. But it's Mother's Day, man, so if y'all moms, make sure y'all do something for y'all moms today. Or if you got a baby mama, whatever, make sure you do something for the mother of your children. Even if she is giving your ass a hard time, even if she don't let you see your kids, she got you on child support, all this, all that. So my youngins out there, y'all stay aware. I got a nephew right now. He 19 years old. He ain't got no kids, but he whipped. It's not looking good for the brother, unfortunately. Yeah, he don't need no kids. But nah, I was like, I'm saying, hopefully he taking notes. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to see what to do, what not to do. You got to know all these chicks. They don't necessarily have your best interest at heart, but they do have what they think is their best interest at heart, and what they think is not necessarily always the truth. Some of these broads don't be, brightest bulb in the box, but they could put on that little image that they are. But that's neither here nor there. It's Mother's Day. Go tell your moms you love them. Write her a nice little card. Get her some flowers. Get her something that's going to, make her think of you. Write a personal note too, so she keep it. It's Mother's Day. It's going to hit different. Mother's Day 2026. Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there. But it is Mother's Day, and we do have a competition today. So there's going to be one group of mothers that's going home happy, feeling good about it. There's going to be another group of mothers that's going home saying, damn, son, why y'all get whacked? I'm going to pray that's not us. I don't necessarily anticipate that being us, because I feel like we got a little squad. We've been putting in a lot of work, man. A lot of work. But we still got a long ways to go. And that's the thing. Athletes got to understand that it's not easy. It is not easy. I played college baseball for 5 years. Happened during COVID, so yeah, played for 5 years. You gotta, I mean, it's not easy, so just understand it's a grind. You gotta work your ass off every fucking day. Just like this YouTube shit, a lot of motherfuckers think this shit easy, but it's not. It is not easy. If it was easy, everybody would do it. If it was easy, everybody would have 1 million subs. Everybody be making 10, 15, 20, 30 bands a month. But yeah, we just out here cruising, man. Cruising to the game. Y'all see I got the lights in here. Y'all comment down below what y'all think about the lights. Is they smooth? They tough? These here, they are the glow rides, so I can change the colors, all different type of stuff. But yesterday, I rocked with this here. We had pretty damn good success at the field, so I'm rocking with it again today. But yeah, man, y'all see the roads. It's a little bit of moisture out there, a little bit of precipitation on the ground, puddles and shit. So y'all cruising. I ain't gonna be doing nothing too crazy today. I've seen a lot of people in they Dodge Chargers, V8s to be specific, Scat Pack Hellcats. I've not necessarily seen like a RT, but I've seen dudes fuck up their Scat Packs. I've seen dudes fuck up their Hellcats too. And from what it looked like, it's really just them just trying to do a little bit too much out on the roads, trying to speed and stuff when they shouldn't be speeding. But yeah, man. I got a video that's uploading right now, and I mean, I don't know, for some reason, bro, my videos, they just be taking hella long to upload. I don't know why. If y'all know what that could be, please comment down below, let me know. But it's like a 8, 9, 10 minute video. It may be a little longer than that, but it's like, why is it taking fucking damn near 2 days to upload? Like, why? Don't think there's really a reason for it, but it is what it is. It's annoying though. Yeah, fat ass puddle right there. I have to watch out for that shit. But nah, like I was saying, bro, a lot of these dudes be tearing that shit up. They just be doing too much. I ain't gonna lie, about a month ago I was driving out to a baseball game, pretty far out, and it was raining hard than a bitch. But I mean, these cars, they're lovely cars, of course, but they are not the car to be trying to drive in the rain, speed in the rain, all this and that. But you can see the roads, they nice right now, so somebody fuck that shit up over there. But yeah, at the same time, you got to know how to drive, and that's really it, man. I'm really just gonna cruise the rest of the way. I'm on the E-way now. I could bring y'all some more content, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it right here. So I'll see you on the next one. I'll let you know how we do.